Great, happy Friday. I'm here to explain your math assignments for today. So first thing you're going to want to do is obviously watch this welcome video. So if you're doing that, good job, you're already doing the first thing. Over on the side of Power School, which is where you need to start, is your to-do list for today. So you can see that over here. So first thing, watch today's welcome video. Check, you're doing that. Next, watch the video on ordinal numbers. This one right here. You can click on it and it should play for you. Click this YouTube button and it'll open up right to YouTube and you can watch that as well. So firstly, you're going to want to watch that. Then you're going to hit the seesaw to complete your assignments for today. And there are 4. So we will start, too far. We are going to start with first, second, third, etc. So there are your directions right here. Underline the first letter, the second letter in the second sentence. For sentence number 3, you're going to underline the 6th letter. In sentence number 4, you are going to underline the 10th letter. So when you are ready to do that worksheet, you will just hit add response. If you forget what letter you're supposed to be underlining, you can always click up here and the directions are located right here for you. And you are just going to take your highlighter or your pencil and underline the letter in the sentence that is directed to you. So that is what you're going to do for the first activity. Don't want that. And for the next activity, we are going to do the ordinal position worksheet. So read the instructions for each problem action. So for example, it says first draw the missing line to finish the triangle using a ruler. So if you are doing this online, you don't have to do a ruler, just do your best. Second, color the corners red. Third, draw another triangle. So that's example for the first one. Just follow the directions. When you're ready to respond, you are just going to hit the respond button, draw your line. That was not a good one. Draw your line. Still not great. Do your best. I know it's going to be difficult. Maybe you can add a line. You can even add a line if you want to. Make it a little shorter. Turn it. So if you want to add a line, you can do it that way too. I'm okay with that. And then continue to do that for the rest of the worksheet. Just read the instructions and follow the instructions. Next, we have our Indiana Success Worksheet pages. So in that book, I didn't bring it over here. It's an orange, smaller book. Textbook, you'll want to complete pages 1 through 4 and upload your photos here. Just hit add response, photo, or you can upload photos. You can do that for those. The final one is ordinal numbers. So you'll want to watch this welcome video first, explaining to you how to do it. And then when you're done, you are going to click and drag the numbers into their ordinal position. Okay? So that is what you're going to do for today. And here is a picture, or if you can see this, this is what your textbook is going to look like for today. It's the thin orange textbook that you were given for home. So this is what you're going to want to use. And once again, you're doing pages 1 through 4, I'm sorry. So that will be what you need to do today. And we will see you this afternoon.